Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to collaborate on projects in Wrike. Ladies and gentlemen, to collaborate within Wrike on a project, there are a few different ways to do this. Now, you can click on share over here, and this will allow you to share this project over here. You can add people by name that is in your team, or you can add by email. So let's just go ahead and say this email address, we are going to invite this person over here, and this email address is now going to be receiving an invite. They will get a seat into joining How to Harbor, this organization, and then you can set their user type. Okay, so if they're an admin, regular user, external contributor, or viewer, which means that you can only have limited permissions. Then what we want to do is we want to also set a welcome item. So for now, we've opened it up on this project, and we can either change their access role, so from full to editor to limited to read only again, and then you can assign them to this item if you want to assign them directly to this item. Now, when you invite multiple people at once, they can be assigned to the same item and get a notification within their inbox. You can also add an invite message over here, and once you're done, you can send invite. Now, this will go to this person. They can now collaborate on this task with the permissions that you have granted them. Now, whether this person is in your team or not, they will now become a seat holder on this particular project. Go ahead and click on got it, and go ahead and say save. You're going to now just add this person into project 1. You can copy the link. There's some advanced options as well, but for now we're going to say save, and now you can collaborate with whomever you invite.